Chapter 6 is about the blueprint of organized planning. In this chapter, we delve into the transformative role of structured planning in crystallizing your desires into actionable reality. Napoleon Hill highlights the power of mastermind groups, alliances of like-minded individuals with diverse expertise. Collaborating within a mastermind enriches your plans through collective wisdom and accountability. To succeed, maintain harmony and persist despite initial setbacks. If one plan falters, replace it with another until you find what aligns with your desire. Leadership is another cornerstone of this principle. Whether as a follower or a leader, Hill emphasizes the value of cultivating attributes like unwavering courage, self-control, and a pleasing personality. Becoming a leader demands mastering details, assuming responsibility, and fostering cooperation. Hill's insightful list of leadership traits provides a blueprint for personal development. Let's explore this chapter through 5 practical examples. 1. Imagine you're an entrepreneur with a dream venture. Without organized planning, dreams often remain elusive. Creating a comprehensive plan detailing every aspect of your business, from product development to marketing strategy, becomes your roadmap to success. 2. Consider wanting to improve your financial situation. Organized planning involves crafting a budget, setting savings goals, and defining investment strategies. This structured approach turns your financial aspirations into practical steps. 3. If you're aiming for career advancement, merely hoping for promotions won't suffice. Through organized planning, you outline your professional goals, skill development, and networking strategies. This focused approach enhances your chances of climbing the corporate ladder. 4. Imagine desiring a healthier lifestyle. Organized planning involves setting fitness goals, devising exercise routines, and planning balanced meals. This structured approach empowers you to turn health aspirations into daily habits. 5. For artists or writers, creating a masterpiece requires more than inspiration. Organized planning involves setting milestones, allocating time for creative work, and refining the project step by step. This disciplined approach turns artistic visions into tangible creations. In conclusion, organized planning is the architect that transforms desires into tangible achievements. By breaking aspirations into actionable steps, collaborating within mastermind groups, and embracing the attributes of leadership, you unlock the potential to conquer challenges and reach your goals. This principle reshapes dreams from abstract ideas into structured realities, guiding you on the path to success. For faster results, check the playlist to listen to the next chapters. We wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.